Looking for the best budget action camera that delivers stunning footage without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you discover top-rated products that truly stand out. Stick around as we reveal the most affordable action cameras packed with impressive performance and features. Number 1. GoPro Hero 7 White. The best cheap action camera around right now is the GoPro Hero 7 White. This nifty cam was originally released in October 2018 as a budget companion to the then flagship Hero 7 Black. While it's a far cry from the current best GoPro, the Hero 7 White still delivers some impressive action cam tech in a streamlined and crucially very wallet-friendly package. The H7 White is compatible with most GoPro accessories, including the brand's extensive mount and housing range, although unlike the newer GoPros, there's no bunny ear mounting system built in, so you'll need to pop your cam into a frame before you can mount it to anything. The camera is also shock and waterproof to 10 meters. The responsive, sunlight-friendly 2-inch touchscreen provides rapid access to playback and settings. A built-in, non-removable battery dishes out around 2 hours of use per charge. Number 2. Akaso Brave 7 LE. Next up in our best budget action camera ranking is the Akaso Brave 7 LE. This cam fits nicely in the palm of your hand. At 127 grams, it has a sturdy weight to it, and its contoured metal and plastic body looks and feels like a camera with a far heftier price tag. While its headline feature is a front-facing screen, the Brave 7 LE also sports a number of features only usually found on fancier models, such as voice control, time-lapse facilities, and 6-axis image stabilization. Factor in that it comes with 2 batteries, a remote, a wide range of mounts, and a waterproof housing, and this is a camera that gives fantastic value for money. If you're looking for a rugged and feature-packed camera with a wallet-friendly price, the Akaso Brave 7 LE is seriously hard to beat. Check out our Akaso Brave 7 LE action camera review for more information. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia Camera Mini. The Xiaomi action camera could earn its place on this list for the stylish design alone, but thankfully, there's plenty happening under the hood to justify its inclusion in our best cheap action camera buyer's guide. The 7-glass lens and Sony IMX317 sensor work in perfect harmony, whether you're shooting under blue skies or gray clouds. Footage is electronically stabilized across 6 axes of movement. And 3D noise reduction technology helps smooth out your shots. Settings can be tweaked on the 2.4-inch touchscreen. In its standalone state, the Mijia Camera Mini is best used as a lightweight, portable camera to document your travels. But pair it with the array of mounts or 45-meter waterproof housing, and it will be ready to tackle anything. Number 4. Insta360 Go. While it may look more like a desktop webcam, the Insta360 Go is a fully functioning action camera that punches well above its gossamer 18.3-gram weight. It has since been replaced by the equally diminutive Insta360 Go 2, which improves on the Go considerably, but costs a fair whack more too. At 5 centimeters in length, the Go makes an ideal wearable camera and comes with a back clip and pendant as well as a selection of conventional base attachments. It also has a magnetic rear so it can be quickly fixed to any metal surface. The Insta360 Go can record 1080p HD quality video at 25 FPS and is designed for shooting short video clips of up to 60 seconds at a time. In addition to conventional video, it can also record time-lapse, moving hyperlapse sequences, and slow-motion video at 100 FPS. Incredibly, for a camera of this size, the Go comes with inbuilt image stabilization, which Insta360 has dubbed flow state. While not fully waterproof, the tiny camera shrugs off wet conditions and is rugged enough to survive being fully submerged in water for up to 10 seconds at a time. Number 5. Akaso EK7000 Pro 4K. At its top resolution, Akaso's budget shooter can deliver crisp footage at 4K 25. Drop to 1080p and the EK7000 is capable of 60 frames per second for those epic slow-mo clips. There's also a 16-megapixel sensor if stills are your bag. Built-in electronic image stabilization takes care of smoothing your footage if the action gets a little unruly or your subject is moving fast. While the adjustable viewing angle enables power users to switch between narrow and super wide. If most of your adventures take place in water, the EK7000 is definitely aimed at you. Add the supplied waterproof case to enable shooting to a depth of 40 meters, while a dedicated diving mode compensates for the lack of red light underwater, ensuring that your subaquatic shots are just as good as those taken on dry land. The EK7000 also functions as a dashcam with loop and upside-down recording functionality, while control of settings, shooting modes, and playback is handled smoothly via the 2-inch touchscreen.